Pop it out. That's a rubber. All right, well, pull it to you. Wait.
Yeah, let's see what's...
Oh, I see what's going on. Look 'em.
It's got that bottom
The
tray.
horns are caught.
Oh, you knocked out
Pick it up, Nick.
You knocked out the plastic tray at the bottom then.
Hold on. Stinking horns are caught.
Yeah, the horns are connected to the bottom of this metal piece in the middle, the white piece you're trying to move out.
Yep.
And there was the plastic
We
part.
need to push the motor.
Back?
Loosen that. Drop the motor down. Push back in. Drop the motor down a little bit.
Just a little.
Now push it in. Push the motor back in.
It might be rusting
Maybe
against
a
the
little
motor.
bit more. It's resting on the thing. All right, stop. Wait.
There you go. Got it clear on that beam. That motor mount beam keeps hitting the top of the firewall here.
All right, push it in a little bit. A little bit more. Good, stop. Hold it there.
Let me grab
Ryder,
it
can
from
you
the
get
inside.
this and let me get the other side? 'Cause
All right.
somebody here.